Communally sensitive Shimoga city in Karnataka is tense again after a group of youths removed the portrait of V.D. Savarkar, kept at Amir Ahmad Circle on the occasion of the Independence Day celebration. The incident forced the authorities to impose Section 144 of CRPC for 3 days. 2 days back, there was a verbal duel over keeping of Savarkar's portrait among the portraits of several freedom fighters at a shopping mall in the city. The row resurfaced after a group noticed Savarkar's portrait kept at the junction. This time it took a violent turn. One group objected to the portrait and tried to place the portrait of Tipu Sultan. This led to a verbal duel between two groups associated with two communities. Later, the group removed Savarkar's portrait after the police reportedly stopped them from keeping Tipu Sultan's portrait. The police resorted to lathi charge to disperse the groups. The police forces are deployed at the circle. The Taluk administration has imposed Section 144 of the CRPC for 3 days to maintain peace. SPBM Lakshmi Prasad and other senior officers are monitoring the situation.